So now guys, I would like to create a function with two parameters, okay? So I will delete it. So this is a function with one parameter, and here it will be with two parameters. You can have more parameters, 3, 4, 5, it's up to you, okay? So I would try to create some function, and I will call it multiplication, okay? So it means I will send in the function two numbers, and I would like to multiply them. So it means if I will send there 5 and 2, so the result will be 5 multiplied by 2, and the result is 10, okay? So it means here I have two parameters. I will call it number 1 and number 2. So, and I will print the result, okay? So it means number 1 multiplied by number 2, and that's it. So it means if I will call multiplication function, so it means if I will use it, I need to send there two parameters, okay? Number 1 and number 2. So now if I will use it, multiplication, so I need to send there two things, number 1, number 2. It means two parameters. So number 1 will be 5 and number 2 will be 2, for example. So 5 is number 1, here is comma, like this, comma, and the second number, it means number 2, is number 2, okay? So now if I will run it, you can see I have number 10, perfect. So it means I can use it with different numbers if I want, for example 10 and 4. So now 10 is number 1 and 4 is number 2. So the multiplication function knows that it needs to print number 1, it means 10, multiplied by number 2, and it means 4. So 10 times 10 multiplied by 4, it's 40, right? So we will see. Okay, 40, great, perfect. And you can use it all the time. So with something, okay, for example, like this. Okay, I will run it. I have no idea what's the result. Okay, and we have the result. Okay, so now you know how to use it, the function with two parameters. And there is no difference with if you use two parameters, 3, 4, it's still the same.